Copyright for educators, creating responsibly in the digital age. Understanding the law, respecting creativity, and empowering students. Educational use disclaimer. This presentation does not constitute legal advice. It is intended for educational and informational purposes only. It includes references to copyrighted materials used under the principles of fair dealing as outlined in the Copyright Act of the Bahamas 2024 and relevant international frameworks. All third-party content such as images, text excerpts, music and video clips have been used with appropriate attribution, licensing or permission where required. Educators are encouraged to verify the copyright status of any material they use and to seek permission when necessary. Finally, this presentation is copyright the Department of Education 2025. No portion of this content may be reproduced, published, or otherwise copied and disseminated without the express written permission of the Department of Education. On May 21, 2025, the Tribune newspaper reported the Bahamas signed 5 international treaties under the World Intellectual Property Organization. It continues to document that the Bahamas Intellectual Property Office, or BIPO, had been dormant for 50 years, and this movement through the signing of these treaties is intended to provide the Bahamian public with services that preserve their rights and protect their intellectual property. As of the time of that report, the Bahamas is set to sign an additional 5 treaties. Additionally, the press statement from the Office of the Attorney General noted that these signings are steps to ensure that the Intellectual Property Office is fully aligned with the subsidiary legislation governing trademarks, patents, copyrights, and industrial designs as executed by the Attorney General. This milestone indicates that the Bahamas is well on its way to ensuring that the intellectual property rights of its citizens are respected and preserved. Welcome to the Learning Resources section, your source for all things education and media in the Bahamas. I'm Ms. Johnson, Multimedia Officer and your facilitator for this series. This is the first in a series of self-paced courses offered by the Department of Education to inform, instruct, and empower the 21st century educator. Today, we will be introducing you to the Copyright Act of the Bahamas 2024. Whether you're creating worksheets, recording lessons, or guiding students through creative projects, understanding copyright is essential. Our goal today is to help you feel confident using and creating content legally and ethically. We'll explore the basics of copyright law, how to use others' work responsibly, and how to encourage students to do the same. While this presentation is not comprehensive of patents, trademarks, and general intellectual property, the focus on copyright is one specific to the education-based creative and the student creator. This presentation does not constitute legal advice. Please be sure to speak with a registered legal practitioner for additional information and guidance. That being said, let's begin.